Welcome guys. So you clicked and you're about to watch how I was able to utilize this crypto trading platform following their procedure. And one cool feature about this trading platform is that they have a schedule calculator that help you minimize and calculate your risks, and this puts you at a chance of having more profit than having more loss. Now right here, I want everyone watching this video right now to firstly click on the link you find in the comment section, because firstly we would need to sign up with the site right here. Now once you click on the links, it brings us right here to this name of this crypto platform with the name ByTrading. You can see it at the top right there, and the first thing you need to do is to input your email address into this first box, and you'll be asked to click on this icon right here that has this alarm icon. And once you click on the alarm icon, it sends a code to your email address, and in the email address you copy the code and come back here to paste it. And after that is being done, you would have to create a password. Now the referral code will be filled automatically, and you just need to click on sign up after adding your password. Now immediately all these details is being filled, you click on sign up and you'll be logged into the site. Alright, so this is the platform which we are actually going to be trading with and we'll be making our profit from. Now I'm actually going to be showing you every necessary steps you need to follow, every procedure you need to proceed with in order not to make mistakes. Now you can see right here we have other programs which they're actually doing their daily rebates. You should be getting a $30% on your first deposit, and also you'll be having other important programs they're actually running. We should be winning prizes. Now the important aspect I want everyone to be aware of, because we'll be trading with this platform, but firstly we need to be able to, before we will be able to trade, we need to make a deposit. Now to be able to make deposit, you click on this last icon that says mine, and then you have details just like this. Now I'll be showing you how to actually make deposit by clicking on this right here that says top up. You can see it right there. Now once you click on top up, then you actually proceed to this next interface seen on your screen. This interface right here. Now you can see informations like TRC20 for USDT and BEP20, ERC20 for USDT. Now you select the amount you can actually afford, or you just type in the amount right here into this space by putting in the amount you can afford to trade with. Now right here I'm actually going to be typing in this amount right here, which is what I'm actually going to be using to show you guys the steps on how I was able to make profit trading with this platform. Now I type in the amount I want to make deposit of, and then click on top up, and then a crypto address will be given to me right here. You can see it on the screen, and also this QR code. You can just copy the QR code and take it to your crypto wallet to make deposit, or you just copy this crypto address. Now take it to your crypto wallet and make deposit, and once you're done, you just come back here to just leave a comment, and you would have it in your balance reflecting right here. Now that's very simple and straightforward to make your deposit. Right here it is called top up. Now once the deposit is being made, let's dive into making profit with our deposits. Now you go back to the home menu by clicking on this icon right here that says home, and the very first important thing I want you guys to be aware of is this first icon right here that says calculator. Now you can see calculator is very important. Now this calculator is what we would use to minimize risks, and at the same time is this calculator will give us the procedure on how to trade with our balance. So immediately you click on calculator, you can see it right here, information shown right here. For the step, you pick a 8-step plan. Now you can see once you pick the 8-step plan, just click in this place right here and type in the amount you deposited into this crypto trading platform. Type in the amount right there, and this calculator would help you schedule how you are supposed to trade. Now if you follow this step, if you trade this step using their Telegram signal group and taking their signals, and you make a loss, you are going to be refunded with your capital. If you trade using this 8-step and you end with a loss, you will be refunded with your capital. Now right here, once you type in the amount which you deposited, You can see right here the first trade you are supposed to take. This is it right here. This is the amount you are going to be risking, and this right here in front is the amount, is the profit you'll be making. That's for the first signal you take, use this amount and the profit you'll be getting. For the second signal, use this amount in front and this is the profit you'll be getting. Do everything the same way, taking the first 8 signals. Now, since we've understood what the calculator is meant for and it has helped us schedule how we are going to be trading, now let's go into the site to activate the trading and start trading. Now you can see right here on the screen, there's BTC 28, there's game start, there's Ethereum 10 and other aspects showing in the site right here. The one we are going to be using is BTC 28. You can see it's showing right here, and immediately you click on it, you can see there's this eye at the top right here that says BTC to USDT, and see this one that shows the countdown, which is what we're actually going to be following. And this aspect shows my balance, you can see it, and right here we have where we actually place the trade we want to trade with. Now you can see there's a section that says buy, there is small, there is odd, and there is even. Now we'll be choosing one of these 4 options, and what we need to do is to follow the step according to what the calculator gave us. Now right here is where we'll be putting the amount we want to stake on, and based on what the calculator gives us, you just need to go back to the calculator, copy this amount right here, because you need to take at least 8 trades from their signals. Now if at the end of these 8 trades you end up in loss, you would reach out to their support and they would give you a refund back. Now based on what the signal actually gave, we are going to be putting the amount we want to stake and go to their Telegram channel. And like I said earlier, don't forget to join the Telegram channel, the Telegram signal group where you get signal. Now we've copied the amount we want to stake on, and right there, so you put in the amount you want to stake into this box right here, into this space right here. So we actually missed out on the first trade, so we just need to go back to their signal group and check the available signal. Now you see the signal says you should pick small, and you go back to the site and right here put in the amount you want to stake into this box right here, select small. You see I just clicked on small, and according to what the calculator gave, you put in the amount right there and then click on confirm and trade. Now I see purchase successful showing on the screen, and you just need to wait for this countdown. Now I'm actually going to just fast forward it to a close range of the countdown, and after that we'll be seeing our results on what we actually trade on based on the signal. Now like I said earlier, follow the signal, and if you actually follow the signal, you'll be making more profit. Now you can see right here I took the signal and the results came out in loss. Now this is to tell you that you won't have 100% win, but at the end you would still be in profit. Now since this came out in loss, I need to go back to their Telegram channel, the signal group, to check the next signal. Now the next signal right here says odd, which is we're actually going to be staking on odd. Now you go back to the trading platform, and first of all go to your calculator, because we're actually taking our 3rd trade now. So you go to the calculator and check the amount which you'll be staking next. So since this is our 3rd trade, you'll be picking the 3rd amount right here. You can see I just copied it, and I need to go back to the BTC 28 to place a stake on odd. Now you can see right here what we need to do. We'll be selecting odd right here. So you just click on odd, and the amount which you copied, you paste it in this box right here, and then click on trade and then activate the trade. So we need to wait for the result to pop up, and after this countdown, after the end of this countdown, we'll be having our result. Now after the countdown, we'll be having our result. Now for this trade which I took right here, I think it came out in profit. And after that, let me actually show you one more trade. I'll be taking my 5th trade right now. So the next thing I need to do is to go back to the calculator. Like I said earlier, make sure you are using the calculator, which is very, very important. It helps you minimize your risks, and if you actually use the calculator, you get a refund in case you end up in loss. Now since I'm taking my 5th trade, so I just need to copy the amount which I'm going to be staking right here, copy the amount, and then go back to BTC 28 to place a trade. Now click on BTC 28 and we have it right here, and be careful of the countdown. Once the countdown is almost done, make sure you don't trade again. Now the trade actually says small, which means I'll be staking on small. right here, I'll put in the amount I want to stake in this box and then click on trade. Now I think I wasn't able to place a trade because the countdown already was already up, so I wasn't able to place a trade on that. Now I just need to wait for the next signal and then place my trade. Now since I wasn't able to place a trade on this, I just go back to the site, and which the trade actually ended up in loss. Now you can see I just need to take the next signal, and the next signal says would be staking on odd. Will be staking on odd. Now since I'm taking my 5th trade, I already copied the amount I'll be staking, so I just click on odd right here and then paste the amount which I want to stake into this box and then click on trade, and then the trade will be activated. Now since the trade have been activated, I just need to wait for the countdown to get my result. Now take a look at my balance, the amount I started with, and take a look at the available balance I'm having right now. So I just need for the trade to activate, and boom, here we go. So you can see after the result, it came out as a win right there. And take a look at my balance. Now after all my eight signals, after taking 8 signals from them, I think I was able to have a total of this right here, my balance. And now since we've already made profit, the next thing I need to explain to you guys is how to make withdrawal. This last icon, and you see right here in the balance, the profits have been reflected. Now this right here is how we trade using this platform, and also taking their signals. Now you can see the signals actually gave me this profit, and like I said earlier, if you follow this calculator step, trade with the calculator each step, and you end up in a loss, you get a refund of your capital. Now one interesting part of this site you actually don't want to miss out is inviting others to this platform. Now once you click on this icon, this last icon, and click on invite, you would be brought to this interface right here where you have this right here on the screen. So you just need to copy the link and share with your friends and family, your colleagues, explaining this video. Share this video also to them so they can actually have a clear idea of what this crypto platform consists of. Alright, so since we've been able to make profit trading with the platform, now let's proceed to how do we make withdrawal. Now once you click on this last icon right here, you see the option withdraw. Now this is what you click on, and immediately you click on withdraw, it shows you these available options of the amount you can withdraw. Now you can see right here on the screen, this is the available options of the amount we can actually withdraw. You can see there's a $10, there's a $20, up to $5,000, which is the maximum which you can withdraw at once. Now right here you type in the amount you want to withdraw. Let's say for instance I want to withdraw $500 into my crypto wallet. Now right here you type in the amount you want to withdraw, and then you put in the crypto address you want to receive the withdrawal into, and right immediately you click on it. Then you can see it shows this cryptocurrency platform you should be using to receive the withdrawal. Now the next thing you need to do is to pick one of these options right here, using either TRC20 for USDT or ARC20 for USDC. Now you can see, just select the one you want to choose, and I actually selected TRC20 and then clicked on this right here because this is where I'll be putting my crypto address where I want to receive the withdrawal into. Now click on the icon right there, the icon that shows alarm clock. Once you click on it, it sends a code to your email. Now notice, no one will be able to withdraw from this platform if they don't get the code which was sent to your email. So you just need to go to your email, copy the code, and come back here to paste the code, and then you click on withdrawal. Now successfully you'll be able to receive your withdrawal into your crypto wallet. Now without the code, like I said, no one will be able to withdraw from this platform. Now I hope everyone understood every explanation which I have made, how I explained about the calculator. Follow the steps, follow the procedure, and keep making profit. Have a nice day, guys.